Good morning, Jai Hind to all. My name is Babita. I am assistant professor in computer department of computer application at Ajay Kumar Garg Engineering College, Ghaziabad. So today I am coming with a new lecture in the series of IoT, and the code is KCA 043, and this is subject is for MC second year students, right? So let's get start. The topic is a smart street light. So basically the smart street light is the smart street light is related to your IoT, Internet of Things, or basically if I'm talking about the smart cities. So smart cities is the very trending technology, or you can say the system which is implies in the today's world. And the smart cities, what is the outcomes of this presentation or this lecture? So definitely learner will learn about this smart street light system using IoT, and next we will talk about the basic concept what is the smart street light, and next we will talk about some objectives, why we are using it, and here we have some features of the smart street light related to smart street light. And next we will talk about some key components, we can say the infrastructure of the smart street light and what are the different components, and we will talk in depth one by one. And next we will talk about the working process. So basically as we know the infrastructure and the setup of the system, then we will talk about the working process, how it is work, right? And next we have some use case areas where the smart street light system are more widely used, and here we have some challenges, right? So these are the outcomes of the this presentation, and let's get start. What is a smart street light system? So basically the smart street light system is not an individual system, it is the part of the smart cities. As you know, in the today's world, IoT is widely scaled up at a very faster speed. So basically the smart street light system are the key component of the smart cities. जैसा कि आप लोगों को पता है कि स्मार्ट सिटीज आज के टाइम का सबसे ट्रेंडिंग टेक्नोलॉजी है, बिकॉज एवरी कंट्री वांट्स टू डेवलप द स्मार्ट सिटीज इनसाइड इट, राइट? इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द इंडियन स्मार्ट स्ट्रीट, तो ये एक मेरा क्वेश्चन है कि हाउ मेनी स्मार्ट स्ट्रीट्स इन इंडिया, तो आप वो कमेंट सेक्शन में बताएंगे कि हमारे इंडिया के अंदर कौन कौन से स्टेट्स में स्मार्ट सिटीज डेवलप हो चुके हैं, राइट? So smart street light system are the key component of the smart cities. So basically when we talk about the smart cities, so it is not the single part. You can say the smart city is the combination of smart buildings, smart street light systems, and smart markets, and smart playgrounds, and smart roads, and everything will be there in a based on a IoT, right? So then we will called as the city is a smart city, right? So it offer improve the energy efficiency, reduce the cost, and better control and management of the smart street lighting systems. So basically if I'm talking about the requirement of the smart street light, when we are talking about the traditional lights, तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल कि जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल कि अभी हमारा जो ऑन रोड लाइट सिस्टम्स होता है, एज यू सीन ऑन द हाईवेज एंड ऑल्सो इन स्ट्रीट लाइट्स. सो बेसिकली क्या होता है कि अगर मान लो डे होता है इन द डार्क areas, or you can say in the night, at the time of night the light will get on, but after the sun rise, the light is not off automatically, it is a manual work definitely. तो हमें क्या करना होता है कि अगर जस्ट सपोज कि एक हमारा पास ऐसा सिस्टम हो जो ऑटोमेटिकली अगर उसको ऑब्जर्व हो रहा है या इट मेजर द डार्कनेस इन द एरियाज, तो इट ऑटोमेटिकली ऑन, एंड व्हेन देयर इज द ब्राइटनेस तो इट ऑटोमेटिकली ऑफ. So this is the process is called as So here the requirement of the smart street light is this, because अगर हमारी लाइट्स ऑफ नहीं होती हैं और दिन में भी वो जली रहती हैं, तो ऑब्वियसली वहां पे क्या हो रहा है, हमारी एनर्जी जो है वो कंज्यूम हो रही है, और वो कंज्यूम क्यों हो रही है, विदाउट एनी बेनिफिट्स वो वहां पे कंज्यूम हो रहा है, राइट। तो इससे क्या होता है, मीन्स जस्ट बेसिकली हमने बहुत सारे एलईडी बल्ब्स यूज किए हैं, तो उन बल्ब्स का क्या होता है, लाइफ भी मीन्स कम हो जाता है, एंड जो हमारा कंट्रोल होता है वो मैनुअल कंट्रोल होता है, वी आर नॉट implementing automatically and without a human intervention, right? So these are the basic requirements we have the need of the smart street light. Next, we will talk about the smart street lights are IoT enabled systems. Basically, the smart street light is nothing a single components. We are not talking about the single components. It is a comprises form of the some other technologies like IoT devices. You can say the sensors, and here we have some communication modules, right, and some intelligent systems. So basically it is designed automatically to control and monitor street lighting based on an environmental condition and human activities. And if I'm talking about the key component of the smart street light system, so basically we have some kinds of sensors. It may be a LDR, yeah, IR, that means the infrared sensors, right? And here we have some microcontrollers. Microcontrollers is nothing but it is a heart of the IoT devices, right? And here we have some lights, we can say the LED lights, and communication modules. We are using some communication modules for sharing information from one device to another device, right? And next one, we have a central management system, that is the central management system, yeah, you can say the core management system, which controls the activities and which observe the activity of the system. And next we have the power supply modes, right? So these are the basic component of the street light systems. क्यों आया है, तो उसका सबसे पहला जो रीजन है वो ये है कि it reduce the energy consumptions. In a report in foreign countries, about 50% power is saving by using the smart street light systems. क्यों होता है, बिकॉज वहाँ पे इस तरीके का एक सिनेरियो बना हुआ है, या जो स्मार्ट सिटीज हैं उनमें जो स्मार्ट लाइट सिस्टम्स यूज होते हैं वो डेफिनेटली इस तरीके से वर्क करते हैं कि जस्ट फॉर एग्जांपल कोई भी एम्बिएंट एक्टिविटीज वहाँ पे ऑब्जर्व की जा रही है या मेजर होती है, जस्ट फॉर एग्जांपल इन अ रोड, इफ आई एम टेकिंग अबाउट द फिगर, या just for example ki this is the particular road, this light system have some LED lights, and as the people walking on this road at that time, the light get brighter, right? And as the as the people comes around the road, the light is get brighter, and as it move so far away from the road, so it get in a dim mode, right? So basically this is the process ki smart street light system energy को means consumption को remove कर पा रहा है, right? So these are the main objective of the smart street light systems. Next we will talk the enable automatic control based on a surroundings. So basically here we have a control system, we can call it as a central control system. So there is the responsibility of a central control system कि वो वहाँ पे जो भी means ongoing activities हो रही है उनके basis पे जो हमारा smart street light system है उसके means implementation को ऑब्जर्व करे एंड उसको एक फंक्शनैलिटी प्रोवाइड करे, एंड दिस फंक्शनैलिटी इज ऑटोमेटिकली डन बाय द सिस्टम, देयर इज नो इन्वॉल्वमेंट ऑफ द ह्यूमन इंटरवेंशन, राइट? नेक्स्ट, इट प्रोवाइड द रिमोट मॉनिटरिंग एंड रियल टाइम डेटा information, right? So basically, if I'm talking about the smart street light system, so it is a combination of some other technologies also. It will cover the CCTV camera also. So basically, where we have a requirement of two separate systems, CCTV camera and smart street light system. So basically, it combined together in a one system, and it work for both scenarios. It observe the activities which will happen in the area, and also provide the automatically lighting system, right? So this is also the main objective by using this technology. And next, it will increase the public safety and reduce operational cost. So basically, in those areas where the more possibility of crimes, so it will observe as a by the CCTV camera, and by using more than one components in different approaches, we are using in a single. So that's why it also reduce the operational cost of the system. Next, we will talk about the feature of the smart street light system. So the main feature of the smart street light system depends on the technology used by the smart city planners. So basically, it's not mandatory कि इतना ही हमारा खर्चा या यही particular features हमारे smart street system के रहेंगे. This is no necessary कि वो every time हमारा same, because this is depend on the how standardize your smart city, yeah, how what type of levels, yeah, what type of facilities you are going to provide your human, right? So the dynamic lighting control system based on a movement directions. So basically यहाँ पे क्या होता है कि जो हमारा dynamic lighting system है, this is depends on the human movements, as we seen in the figure कि जैसे पीपल इसके मीन्स पास आता है तो लाइट हमारा ब्राइटर हो रहा है, बट एज इट गो फॉर तो जैसे इससे दूर जा रहा है तो हमारी लाइट ऑटोमेटिकली डिम हो जाती है. तो इससे हो क्या रहा है, तो whenever we have a requirement more brightness, it will automatically set its mode, and whenever we have a no requirement of lights, it will automatically set in a dim mode. So in this approach, it save the it reduce the energy consumption, right? So one person close to pole, it light get brighter, otherwise get dim. So this is the main approach, and this is the main feature of the smart light system. Next, we will talk about the environmental and weather monitoring system. So basically क्या होता है कि हमारे पास यहाँ पे more than one sensors लगे होते हैं. Sensor is nothing but it is observe the environmental conditions. Let's suppose कि वहाँ पे means अंधेरा हो गया है, या it will observe या measure some humidity and airs या dust. सो बेसिकली जो भी हमारी वेदर मॉनिटरिंग एंड हमारे इन्वायरमेंटल मॉनिटरिंग इंफॉर्मेशन से रिलेटेड जो हमें चाहिए होता है, वो हमें अकॉर्डिंग बाय यूजिंग सेंसर्स मिल जाता है. एंड डेफिनेटली फॉर दिस अगेंस्ट वी आर इम्प्लीमेंटिंग अवर लाइटिंग सिस्टम कंडीशन, राइट? सो लेट्स सपोज कि रेनी डेज है या रेनी हो गए, मतलब रेन्स के टाइम पे हमारा जो लाइटिंग सिस्टम है वो क्या करेगा, अपने आप को डिम कर लेगा या वहां पे मींस डार्क ब्राइटनेस बढ़ा देगा. तो दैट्स डिपेंड्स ऑन द सिचुएशन एंड दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन द एनवायरमेंटल कंडीशन कि व्हाट टाइप ऑफ लाइटिंग सिस्टम्स यू विल हैव दैट टाइम, right? Next, we will talk about the digital signals that can update as needed, right? So this is also the main feature of the smart light systems. For example, the parking system, yeah, somebody park this is means park the car illegally. So basically there is the notification to the control system कि इस person ने यहाँ पे कार को illegally पार्क किया है, right? तो this is the digital signature signals to the central control systems. तो ये हमारे lighting system का ही part है. Next, we will talk about the extended cellular and the wireless communication. So this is also the main feature, And next, the traffic management through real-time data feed and that track congestions and the speed and automatically emergency response in the event of the car crash or crime, right? So this is also the main feature, because if I'm talking about the traffic management, let's suppose कि आप कहीं जा रहे हैं और जो भी आपने पाथवे लिया है वहां पे कहीं पे कोई कंजेशन हो गया है, कोई मींस कार एक्सीडेंट हो गया है, तो ऑटोमेटिकली आपको एक सिग्नल जनरेट हो जाएगा कि दिस पर्टिकुलर पाथवे इज बिजी या इज मींस स्टक हो गया है या वहां पे जाम लगा हुआ है, तो उसे भी क्या है कि आपको एक इंफॉर्मेशन मिलता है. दिस इज ऑल्सो द पार्ट ऑफ द स्मार्ट लाइट सिस्टम्स. सो बेसिकली इट इज हेल्प इन द ट्रैफिक मैनेजमेंट activities also. नेक्स्ट वी विल टॉक अबाउट द आर्किटेक्चर ऑफ द स्मार्ट स्ट्रीट लाइट सिस्टम. हमने ये तो समझ लिया है कि स्मार्ट लाइट सिस्टम होता क्या है, किस लिए यूज हो रहा है, किस तरीके से हमें ये हेल्प कर रहा है, किस किस पर्टिकुलर कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स को ये हमें प्रोवाइड करा रहा है. बेसिकली नाउ वी विल कम टू नो अबाउट द इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर और अबाउट द आर्किटेक्चर form of the smart system light system. So basically here we have some components, and these components are yeah. So first one we have a AC power supply. So AC power supply is provide the power to the system, because if it does not have a power, it not work properly. So this particular power is supply in the AC form, and now we have a DC converter which converts the AC into the DC, right? And next, this information carried out by the microcontroller system, and this microcontroller system is nothing but it is the heart of the IoT devices, and these control all the activities and all the functionalities which will implement by the devices, right? So here we have information, and this information is passed to the relay driver, and the relay driver is carry over the information to relay. So basically what is the functionality of a relay? The relay is a device that yeah. So basically relay is a fix the information for a street light system. That means ki what type of activities you have to perform. This is notified by the relay driver and relays, that it work as a switch between the street light system and between the microcontroller, right? So the street light system get information from the relay driver, and relays is nothing but it is a switch. As a switch we are using it to connect street light system and microcontroller, and this information is also carried by the LMIH. This is nothing but it is a amplifies the voltage, because it stable the current for the system. Because अगर क्या होता है, हमारा जो करंट, हमारी जो वोल्टेज पास की जा रही है सिस्टम को, वो हमारे डिवाइस की कैपेसिटी से ज्यादा होगी, तो ऑब्वियसली वो उस डिवाइस को क्या करेगा, हार्म करेगा. तो इट स्टेबलाइज द करंट और इट स्टेबलाइज द वोल्टेज प्रेशर ऑफ द system. Next, it will it carries by the communication modules, and these communication modules may also use as a Wi-Fi, right? So this information is carried by the communication module, and for a transfer and receiver, as a transfer and receiver mode we are using it as, and this information is means provided to the user PC. This is also known as the central control system, which is implemented by using mobile apps, or you can use any interface yeah, any application, right? So here we have a IR sensor. This IR sensor is more focusedly used for the motions, to observe the motion and any other activities of the person, right? And here we also use another sensor device, that is a LDR, that means light dependent resistors, right? So basically these are the main components, and current sensors is stabilize the means information between the uh, street light system and the microcontroller, right? So these are the basic component of the street light system. AC power is converted to DC. This particular mode is used for to convert the AC into the DC, right? And sensor yani ki LDR, IAR monitor the environments, the environment activities. It may be a rainy, darkness, motion, any activities which is implementing in the environment. Microcontroller decide what to do. That means कि डिम लाइट को डिम करना है, लाइट को ऑफ करना है, लाइट को ऑन करना है, लाइट को मोर ब्राइटर करना है. दिस विल डिसाइडेड बाय द माइक्रो कंट्रोलर या यू कैन से द PIC. Next, lights turn off and off, and this is depends on the relay. And next we have the communication module system, and this is used to transfer the data for monitoring, right? And next, current sensors check the electricity use, how much energy or how much electrical power we will use for doing this particular activities. This will decided by the current sensors. So these are the basic components and architecture of the smart street light system. Next, how it will work. So basically, step by step, IR sensor is used to detect the object. Object is nothing but it may be a person, right? It may be any ambient activity, right? So IR sensor observe the environment and detect the object. What type of objects we will implementing here, and what response or what functions I have to perform against to this activity. And next, lights turn on and off automatically. This is based on the ambient light, right? So basically this is the functionality on and off depends on the detection which is detected by the IR sensor. Next, motion sensor triggers the lights to brighter when the movement is detected, right? So this is the functionality of motion sensor. Next, dim mode is activated during inactivity to save the energy, because dim mode helps to save the energy when there is a no one activities is performed in that area. So there is no requirements to get the to bright the light more. Next, LDR sensor and IR sensor are used to sense the light intensity about objects of a particular area, and data is sent to the central server for monitoring and maintenance alerts, right? So next process and next means step is performed by the central server. So what type of information observed by the sensors and what type of actions will take, this will decided by the central server. So this is the process कि पहले हमारा मोशन सेंसर डिटेक्ट करेगा ऑब्जेक्ट्स की एक्टिविटी को, देन लाइट सेंसर्स क्या करेगा, डिसाइड करता है कि मुझे किस टाइप की लाइट प्रोवाइड करनी है, दैट मीन्स ऑब्जर्व बाय द लाइट सेंसर, एंड माइक्रो कंट्रोलर विल डिसाइड कि लाइट ऑन होना है या ऑफ होना है, एंड कम्युनिकेशन मॉड्यूल इज कैरी द इंफॉर्मेशन टू द LED street light system, because this is the interface, this is the intermediate part of this microcontroller, between the microcontroller and a street light system. अगर हम बात करें कि एक पर्टिकुलर यहाँ पे इंफॉर्मेशन है एंड एक पर्टिकुलर डिवाइस ये यहाँ पे काम कर रहा है, अब यहाँ से जो इंस्ट्रक्शन पास हो रही है वो यहाँ कैसे इम्प्लीमेंट होगी, बाय यूजिंग सम intermediator module and by using some communication module, and this information carried by these particular, it may be a Wi-Fi, it may be a Bluetooth, right? So any type of communication module you can use in a wireless communication module you are using in a street light system. Next, we will talk about the application areas या use case areas of the smart light systems. So, firstly, we will talk about the energy conservation. So, how energy conservation is achieved by using smart light system, as you already ऑब्जर्व्ड एंड ऑलरेडी लर्न अबाउट इट कि लेट्स सपोज कि हमारा एक लाइटिंग सिस्टम है, जैसे आपने देखा भी होगा ऑन रोड हाईवेज पे बहुत सारी लाइट्स लगी होती हैं, उनको हमने दिन में भी जले हुए देखा है. तो दिस इज नॉट द पार्ट ऑफ एनर्जी कंजर्वेशन सिस्टम. अगर वही लाइट्स जैसी डार्कनेस होता है लाइट्स ऑन हो जाती है, और जैसी दिन होता है या हमारी जो सनराइज होता है जैसे ही, तो वो लाइट्स हमारी ऑटोमेटिकली ऑफ मोड में चले जाए, तो देन वी विल कॉल्ड एज अ एनर्जी कंजर्वेशन सिस्टम, राइट. सो इन फॉरेनर कंट्रीज इट विल मोर अवेयर अबाउट दिस, बिकॉज उनको पता है कि एनर्जी एक ऐसा मीन्स हमारा सोर्स है जिसको अगर हम कंजर्व करके रखेंगे, प्रिजर्व करके रखेंगे, तो हमारा जो पर्टिकुलर स्ट्रेंथ है वो काफी इम्प्रूव कर जाएगा एज कंपेयर टू अदर. सो बेसिकली दिस इज द मेन पार्ट एंड दिस इज द कोर कंपोनेंट ऑफ द एनी टाइप ऑफ सिस्टम. सो हमें एनर्जी को प्रोटेक्ट करना है, कंजर्व करना है बाय यूजिंग such kind of smarter systems, right. Next we will talk about the motion based lighting system. So basically motion based lighting system, although मैंने आपको पहले भी इसके लिए बता दिया है कि जैसे ही हम मान लो किसी भी ऑन रोड स्ट्रीट में हम जा रहे हैं, किसी भी स्मार्ट सिटी के अंदर हम एंटर करते हैं, या फिर आपने देखा होगा मोस्टली हमारे जो मीन्स 5 स्टार या VIPs मीन्स एक तरीके रेजॉर्ट्स होते हैं, उनके जो रूम्स होते हैं, जैसे ही आप रूम में एंटर करते हैं लाइट्स विल गेट ऑन, और जैसे ही रूम से बाहर निकलते हैं लाइट्स विल गेट ऑन ऑफ, राइट. सो दिस इज द मोशन बेस्ड लाइटिंग सिस्टम. जैसे ही आप मीन्स आप जो आपका लाइटिंग सिस्टम है, जो आपका स्मार्ट सिस्टम है, उसने आपके मूवमेंट को ऑब्जर्व किया, यू आर एंटरिंग इन द रूम, तो लाइट्स विल गेट ऑन. So this is the part of the smart lighting system, and this is more widely used in the real world environments, right. Next we will talk about the remote monitoring and control. So basically remote monitoring and control is implementing where in those areas where the manual observation is not possible. Yeah, you can say we have a large scale of system where the individual observation is not possible. So in such areas we are using that type of systems to observe the environment remotely and control the activities. So basically in the smart light system, central control system also able to control the activity and functionality of the system. And next, fault detection and maintenance alert. So fault detection, just for example कि रेन होता है और हमारा जो लाइटिंग सिस्टम है उसमें कोई फॉल्ट अकर हो जाता है, so there is a no current is passing right now, so this will notify to the control system, and control system will get the action against to this fault. So इसमें क्या होगा कि जैसे ही हमें वो नोटिफिकेशन मिला है तो हम उसको जस्ट उसी के बाद immediately हमारा एक्शन होगा to remove this fault and to correct the errors. So how is it possible? This is possible just because of smart system. If you are not using smart system, you are using just a traditional system, how can you observe and how can you get the information there is a fault and due to rain the bulb is get damaged? So this information is not received by the system. You have to manually observe, and after observation you can implement the solution for this problem, right. So in this approach also smart system is very helpful for us. Next we will call as a smart surveillance integration. Smart surveillance integration, if I'm talking about the malls, so you have the information ki you are using some IR sensors to attached with the objects and products. So smart surveillance, that means you are on a one place, you observe all things which is stored on a mall. Yeah, every objects have a particular position, and this position is observed by the sensor devices, and these sensor devices also using some lighting systems, right. And next we will talk about the traffic and environmental monitoring. So traffic also area where the smart lighting system is used. And next we will talk about the energy response system. Emergency response system. So emergency response system also covered and also specialized by the smart lighting system. Just for example कि कहीं पे कोई भी emergency या कोई mishappening होता है तो वहाँ का जो particular lighting system है वो blink करेगा या कुछ इस तरीके का हम एक setup करके रखेंगे तो उससे हमें पता चल जाता है कि there is a some emergency, right? So this is also supporting this particular problems या application areas. Next we will talk about the solar energy utilization. So solar energy utilization in term of we can called as the smart lighting system also help to save the solar energy. As you seen, most of the lighting system in the India and Indian cities are based on a solar energy utilization, because this will get charged by the sunlights, and after complete the charging, it will on the lights in a night or darker areas, right? So these are the application area where the smart street light system most widely you can say the a very large scale we are using in the current real world problems, right? So these all about the street light system. And for more videos and more content over the IoT, you can comment and like and subscribe, right? Next we will talk about the key challenges of the smart light system. So basically हमने इतने सारे benefits तो इसके बारे में जान लिए, but we have also some drawbacks and some limitation means in the context of a smart light system, because every person not able to afford that type of system. So implementation cost is high. And if I'm talking about दिस इज माई क्वेश्चन कि हमारे इंडिया के अंदर कितने नंबर ऑफ स्मार्ट सिटीज हैं और कौन कौन से स्टेट्स में हैं, यू हैव टू कमेंट इन द comment box. And next we will talk about the defect and repair. So basically these type of devices are so costly because this is IoT based devices and not easily available, and obviously if there will any type of default and damage, so the repairing cost is also high, and the trouble is system will trouble the complex problems. Next, system is prone to damage by environmental conditions. So basically the environmental condition, it may be a rain, it may be a means heavy airy days, we can say the heat. So these are the some environmental condition, and due to these condition the system may prone to damage. Next we will talk about the system complexity. So system complexity is high, so we have some skilled persons to maintain that type of system. So this is also the requirement, and you can say the limitation of these systems. And data privacy and the cyber security risk. As you see in here, if I am talking about there is the possibility to hack that particular information, the private information of the persons by the third party, we can say the hackers, which is available in the environment. So this is also the concern point about the smart light system. So that's all about the street light system. Thank you so much.